Oiii people, welcome back to Cook and Vibe, man. Hope everybody's alright. Hope everyone's had a blessed week. You know what I'm saying? In these strange times we're living in, but you don't know we have to just go on with our meds. You see? Today, people, we got something special for you. Yeah? Today we are doing Irish moss strung back power punch. You see? Yes, man them. This one's for you. You get me? The one you give you a strong back, I give the gal them good waka. You see it? Trust me, man. Before we start, right, the sea moss that I have got today is from Blackthorn Organics. Yeah? The Instagram is going to be in the description below, and they also do some sea moss capsules, and they do CBD oil and lots of other stuff, you know what I'm saying? So you don't know, big up Blackthorn Organics. Today, Irish moss strung back power punch. You see it? Let's get into the ingredients for today, people. Why? So you don't know you're gonna need your Irish moss. Blackthorn Organics. You see it? You're gonna need some flaxseed. Yeah? And Nurishment. You're gonna need some cinnamon, some vanilla, and some nutmeg. You're gonna need some nuts, some peanuts, and you're gonna need your Irish moss, obviously. Yeah, but you don't know, this is in the packet. This is it being soaked. So let's get into this. Oiii. Sea moss. Yeah? We're gonna soak it overnight. But you don't know how the thing set, man. Can't do this in the episode. But yeah, soak this overnight. You get me? In the morning, it ready up. So this is the Irish moss, been soaked overnight. Now, obviously you want to soak it to get all the grit out and all the, because it's come from underneath the sea, you know? You don't know, this comes from, I think South American, Caribbean islands. I think certain places in Europe it also grows, you know? I don't know if it grows, it's obviously, I don't know if it grows underground on the coastline or something like that, you know what I'm saying? But sea moss, man, it's really, really good for your people. It's got 92 minerals out of the 102 minerals that's in our body. So you don't know, this is a good one. So you don't know, we've soaked the sea moss overnight. The next thing we're gonna do now, people, is we're gonna put it in a saucepan and we are going to boil it, yeah? And now you want to give this a good wash, people. Yeah, before you put it to soak overnight, you want to give it a good wash. You see? So, yeah, man, this is 24 hours later now. And we're going to add this to some boiling water. Yeah? And just, what we're going to do, we're just going to boil it. Yes, eat. Oiii. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. So once we've got this in here, I did forget to tell you about the gelatin that we're going to use to thicken up the moss. Yeah, so the amount of water, you're just gonna have to use your brain, you know? Yeah, just do the maths, you see? So now we're gonna add in the gelatin, yeah? So just add them in there. So yeah, once this is boiling up, we're gonna reduce the heat. Now you've got options now. Now you can either boil it for like half an hour and then blend it, yeah? Or you can just cook it for like 2 hours, 1 to 2 hours, and just melt the whole moss into the water, do you know what I'm saying? I think we're just gonna do it for like half hour and then blend it up because yes, eat, cook and vibe, we don't have time for that. You the main! Strong back, I get the gal them good. What? Now for the flaxseed, yeah, you can also soak these. I mean, you don't have to, but it brings out a bit more of a different consistency to the flaxseed, yeah? you can either do that as you put the sea moss in the fridge the night before, you know, or an hour before or something like that, you know? Yeah! Let me all a little reasoning while the sea moss is boiling up, you know, and cooking up. You see me? So, the peanuts, so let's have a little reasoning while I scrape the peanuts out their shells and thing, you know? Yes, people, so you don't know what we're gonna do, yeah? What we're gonna do, you only want a few peanuts for this one, yeah, people? You don't want to overpower it with peanuts. So, just like a handful. You know what I'm saying? Little handful. Not too much, you know what I'm saying? What we're gonna do is we're gonna run a little competition, yeah? Yeah, so the competition's gonna be, right? Whoever cooks the best food, yeah? So, you don't know our Instagram is in the description. Cook up your food and it's gotta be a recipe from Cook and Vibe, right? Whoever does the best food, the best, and we look, yeah, that's the best one, will win this packet of sea moss, so you can do this yourself at home, and we will even send you a little bag of the flaxseed, just in case you can't get that. And you know what else I'll do for you as well? I'll chuck in some nutmeg that we brought back from Jamaica, still in the shell, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, get involved people, choose your recipe and get cooking, do you know what I'm saying? Merchandise people, yeah? We're gonna be stepping back up on the merchandise again. The t-shirts, you don't know, you can get the brand new t-shirts them now. The new season t-shirts, you get me? You can get them from Cook and Vibe merchandise Instagram, which is in the description below. And we're gonna have a lot more new merchandise just ready for Christmas. So keep your eye out. You don't know what I mean. Do you know what it smells like? It smells like Jamaica. It smells like the beach. But in a nice way. Like, yeah. It smells like a beach. But this is the thing, right? This is the thing. This is why I really wanted to cook this episode. Cook the recipe on this episode. Because I have tried Irish moss drinks before. You know, the strong back drinks in a can, and they were absolutely disgusting, blood. Oh my days. What kind of nastiness is that in a can? But you don't know, when things are in a can, you can never trust that's what it actually tastes like fresh. So that is why I say, you know what? Let me make it fresh from scratch and see if I like it. So this is really a test, this one, whether I'm gonna like this or not. You know what I'm saying? I hope so, because it's really good for you. Yeah. So you see the consistency now? Quite thick, you know? So this is pretty much done. I've been doing this for about an hour and a half. There's tiny little bits left in there. I'm just gonna blend that up now, cause I have two things to do, you know? But yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend that up. We're gonna put it in a jar and put it in the fridge to cool down overnight. Oiii. Yes, man. So you're gonna have this consistency now. I'm gonna have to let this cool down before we put this in the jar, isn't me? Little bit frothy still when I just blend it up, but you know what I'm saying? But you know what we're gonna do, yeah, Carl? What heap of Irish moss here, so you know what we're gonna do? What we're gonna do is when it's cooled down, I'm gonna put some into some blocks and put them in the freezer so I can use them for the future, you know what I'm saying? Because when you put it in the jar now, you've only got 1 to 2 weeks to use that before it starts spoil. You know what I'm saying? And you know what? You can't use it after that. So the one we put in the jar, we can use for the next, you know, week to 2 weeks. The rest we're gonna put in the freezer so we can make Irish moss whenever we want. You know what I'm saying? And man them, listen, hear me I say, you see if you have any problem, you know what me I say, the one here help you, you know? You do. Yeah, man, trust me. No, this has got a lot of benefits for men and obviously women as well. But yeah, it's got a lot of benefits in this Irish moss. Strong back. Have it, oiii, jarred up. This one's going in the freezer. These ones going in the fridge. Zimmy, ready for the punch tomorrow. Yeah, by the time we take this out of the fridge from overnight, it should be nice and gelled up, and you know, then we can make the punch. Oiii, Irish moss, strong back, power punch. Oiii. So it is the next day. Yeah, nice. You see that nice and jellified now, you see? So this is ready to go in the punch now. You get me? We're just gonna add a piece of this into the punch. You get me? Now people, remember like I said, you can use this for up to 2 weeks probably, but you can put the rest in the freezer, you see me? So we're gonna go on, add all the ingredients into the punch now. I've put some oats there as well. We didn't have this in the beginning, but now I put some little piece of oats in it just to give it some body. You see me? Oiii people! So we're gonna add the Irish moss. I'm just gonna add a piece. I'm gonna show you how much inside there. Yeah, and we're gonna add the flaxseed, and then we're gonna add the nourishment, yeah? So what you're doing right now is Irish moss, flaxseed, and nourishment. I'm gonna put that inside the blender. So as you can see, how much moss I put in there. Don't want to overpower it, you know. I probably don't want to overpower it, so just gonna. You see how with soaking the flaxseed gives it a little like sticky consistency. So that's how much we're gonna add of that. And then we can add the nutriment, you know, nourishment. Oiii. Next, body. We want to get some body, so not too many peanuts, yeah? You don't want to overpower the peanuts. I think that's really cool. And the oats, you know what I'm saying? That's optional. It's optional, you don't have to use oats, but you don't know what I'm saying. Yeah. Alright. Next, seasoning. At this point, I'm going to add a little bit of evaporated milk as well. Yeah, just to loosen it up a little bit. It should be good. Alright. So yeah, next, we're going to put in the vanilla. We're going to put in the cinnamon powder. And we're going to grate some nutmeg in it, yeah? Oiii. Everything is inside. Is it? Turn up that. Oiii. Ready up, man. You get me? Serve it with some nice ice, you get me? Oiii. It's looking good, man. Irish moss. Double dagger, strong backer, power punch. I'm a bit apprehensive to taste this because like I said, I don't like the one in the can, but hopefully I haven't overdone it with the Irish moss. Oiii, let's taste it. Yes, people, so tasting time, yeah? I'm not sure how this is going to taste. Hopefully I haven't overdone it with the Irish moss. But let's have a go. Now that's really nice, man. That's really nice. All it is in the can, too much Irish moss. That's really nice. I can work with that. I can work with that one there, people, you see me? So you don't know, that was Irish moss, people. I hope you enjoyed the episode, you see me? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, all these things. I'm going to finish my Irish moss. I will see you next Sunday. Oiii, big up yourself.